Welcome back to Monday Meals with Megan. Every Monday, we share a new, easy recipe from a cookbook you can check out from the Madison County Library System. Today, I'm making chicken gyros with tzatziki from Magnolia Table Volume 3 by Joanna Gaines. I'm a big Joanna Gaines fan. I loved her show Fixer Upper and her cooking show Magnolia Table. I actually own all of her cookbooks, but lucky for you, we have all of her cookbooks at Madison County Library System, and you can check them out for free with your library card. We also have several other books written by her in our system as well. I've made several dishes from her cookbooks over the years, and some of the recipes in the cookbooks are a little more time consuming, but every one of them has always been so delicious. Her corn casserole in Volume 1 is actually my go-to side dish to bring to a holiday party. This chicken gyro recipe with homemade tzatziki is so good, and it's really easy. There's only one thing I will change next time, and that is the amount of garlic. For my taste, there is too much garlic in the recipe, so I'm just going to do less next time, but otherwise, it is a great meal. So you may think I do these videos alone, but I have a confession. I always have help. I want you to meet today's assistant, Teddy. He's a great cheerleader and taste tester. He made sure that the plain Greek yogurt used in the recipe was up to par. If you want to learn more about my rescue dog, Teddy, back in February, I did a video that we posted to our page about his rescue story. The video series was called You Can't Buy Love, But You Can Rescue It. Isn't he just adorable? Okay, I could talk about my dog all day, but back to the recipe. The recipe makes a ton of tzatziki, which is great because I was able to use it as a snack with some veggies throughout the week. I love tzatziki, and I was really excited to get to make it myself. Happy eating! If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and follow us.